Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to express my own personal feeling related to one particular thing in our country, and that is job, and how large number of job opportunities can be provided to the youth of the nation, and how the unemployment can be reduced. This is my opinion which I am sharing with you. I hope that you love this opinion, ladies and gentlemen. If we want to provide 100% job opportunities or more than 90% job opportunities, to be very clear, we need to construct colleges according to geographical condition of a particular place. Now, what is the meaning of constructing colleges according to geographical condition of a particular place? Ladies and gentlemen, in my earlier videos also, I have explained this thing that in India, there is so much diversity, there is so much variation in environmental structure of different states of the country. Some states lie in extremely cold region. Some states, they lie in extremely hot region. And there are certain states which lie in both these zones. Not much higher, not much hot, not much cold. Moderate climate is there in certain states. In certain states, there is snowfall all the time. They never see the sun. The temperature is so down. Depending upon climatic conditions of a particular place, the occupation of the people of that place is decided. People who are doing different types of occupation in a particular state, it completely depends upon the environmental condition. Why? Because different types of food materials are available, different types of other things are available in a particular state because of environmental condition of that state. And depending on that, people become part of different types of profession. In this regard, I will say that we should try to analyze that what majorly people do in a particular state, depending upon environmental condition of that state, depending upon the type of jobs that are available in that state. And after that, similar kind of professional colleges must be constructed over there. Similar kind of professional colleges must be constructed over there. What will happen when students, they pass out from these colleges, they won't have to go to other states to search for job opportunities. What is happening right now is people graduating from different types of institutions all over the country, they are going to only few specific places for job. And because of this, those places are becoming overcrowded. Those who are able to get the job, that is fine, that is okay. And rest everyone is rejected because there are no vacancies. If we talk about IT jobs, industrial jobs, Delhi NCR, Bangalore and Hyderabad are the major places in India which provide IT related jobs. But BTech in computer science, BCA, MSc IT, BSc IT, these courses are happening in almost every corner of the country. And people graduating from every corner of the country at the end of their final semester, they are going to only these places because except these places, IT jobs are not available anywhere in any other state of the country. So if the entire crowd of the country is getting accumulated at one particular place, how all of them will get relevant jobs? It is not possible. Industries are also having limited vacancies. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, by taking this step, opening colleges according to the kind of things that are available in a particular state depending upon environmental condition, we will do a huge benefit to students. Students will not have to leave their state. The very first thing that is going to happen. And by doing this, we will be able to provide job opportunities to 100% of the youth of the country. How 100%? Because if you construct colleges according to what is available in a particular state, if you research on how these things can be taught to students so that they can develop themselves in true professionals in this in direction of this particular field, you need to do a deep research. You need to analyze the job environment, the job opportunities available in that state, and depending on that, you need to devise certain syllabus, certain books. You need to teach students same type of subject in that particular state. Once they become thorough professionals after getting graduated and post-graduated, they will get utilized in the indigenous industries of that state. 100% job opportunity will be available to the youth of that particular nation. And one more thing I would like to say. If we Indians strictly focus on engineering and medicine, we will never grow. If we Indians strictly focus on constructing large number of engineering colleges and large number of MBBS colleges, we cannot grow. Never ever in upcoming many centuries we will become a developed nation. It is not possible. Ladies and gentlemen, why we are focusing on two professions only? Why we are not exploring? This is the point. Why Indians are not exploring? There are job opportunities in every field. There are different types of things happening in this world. People are involved in different types of profession. Then why more than 90% of Indians are involved in only engineering and MBBS? Why don't we concentrate on other aspects? And the reason is the youth of the nation is not finding opportunity in any other field. Why? Because in India, no research is happening in any other field. Whatever people are doing since last 15 to 16 years, the same pattern we are following right now. And now the condition is this, that even in well-known fields, people are finding lack of jobs. Now, where should they go now? That's why a thorough research must be done related to different types of professions which are available in different types of states specifically. Different state governments and even central government, they need to make a deep research on what are the different categories of professions specific to a particular state depending upon the environmental condition of that state. And after a thorough research, they must try to develop industries related to that in that particular state. And once industries are developed, once large number of job opportunities are available to the youth, large number of colleges can be constructed, universities can be constructed related to that specific course. In my opinion, ladies and gentlemen, this can be the only thing that administrators of this country can do in order to ensure not 100% I will say, but at least more than 90% job opportunities for every type of graduate of the country. I personally feel this thing. That's why I made this video today, that we are not researching. This is also one of the reasons that why we Indians are majorly unemployed. We are not researching. Once we start researching other subjects, other fields, we will start creating universities and colleges related to that particular field. And furthermore, we will start constructing industries related to that particular field. And this is ultimately going to increase the finance of the country. This is ultimately going to make our country self-dependent. The financial power of industries will increase, and when financial power of industries will increase, India will become self-dependent. We will never be dependent on foreign countries and foreign goods and other such things. If we specifically work on this particular thing, ladies and gentlemen, this is very crucial. This is very crucial. Stop constructing similar type of colleges everywhere. Stop looking for similar type of job opportunities everywhere. You will not find them. Start developing job opportunities specifically according to what is available in a particular state. Start developing university courses, college courses specifically according to what is available in that particular state. It will upgrade your knowledge, and the biggest thing that is going to happen is Indian youth will start concentrating on varied subjects. The entire 99% youth of the country, they will not be involved in one particular direction. We will do only BTech, we will do only MBBS, we will do only other such things. No. Different people, different students of the country. They will equally concentrate on all the aspects, all different types of subjects. Their creativity will evolve, and they will become 100% perfect professionals. We need to think in a wide manner, ladies and gentlemen. Only then we can ensure 100% job opportunities for every child of the country. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.